Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So you have remembered in last month we have started the chapter 12, means before exam we have started chapter 12 electricity and circuits. Okay, so what we have studied in that, only the part 1 that we have studied is that about the electric cell. हमने सिर्फ क्या पढ़ा था, इलेक्ट्रिक सेल के बारे में. So electric cell means every cell has the two terminals, that is the positive terminal and the negative terminal. Okay, which is the positive terminal? Positive terminal means metal cap of the electric cell, and negative terminal is nothing but the metal disc. Okay, and every cell has these two terminals, positive and negative terminals. And this cell, the function of the cell is that this cell produce the इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है वो? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द केमिकल्स विच स्टोर इन दैट सेल. व्हेन दिस केमिकल्स गेट्स यूज्ड अप, दिस सेल्स, दैट इलेक्ट्रिक सेल स्टॉप्स वर्किंग, एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हाट वी डू, वी रिप्लेस इट विद द न्यू सेल. हम क्या करते हैं, जब वो इलेक्ट्रिक सेल वर्किंग करना स्टॉप करता है, देन हम क्या करते हैं, उसको रिप्लेस कर देते. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट वी आर स्टडीड इन अवर previous class, means our that part 1 of the chapter 12. Okay, now you have remembered that in cell we have seen that the two terminals, that is the along with this positive and two terminal, the, if you will observe, we have studied about the electric bulb also. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब के बारे में भी देखा था हमने, द फिगर 12.2 विच इज़ गिवन ऑन द पेज नंबर 117. उसमें हमने देखा था कि इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब हैव द फिलामेंट्स एंड टर्मिनल्स ऑल्सो. ओके, सो फिलामेंट होता है, सो दैट थिन वायर विच गिव्स द लाइट, विच गिव्स ऑफ लाइट, दैट इज नोन एज द फिलामेंट ऑफ द बल्ब. सो टुडे वी विल कंटिन्यू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज़ हाउ द बल्ब इज गेट्स कनेक्टेड टू दी सेल. हम देखेंगे कैसे बल्ब हम कनेक्टेड कर सकते हैं सेल के साथ. सो फॉर दैट एक्टिविटी 2 इज गिवन. Okay, so for this activity 2 we need the 4 kinds of wires. So we can take the 4 different colors coating wire, means हम different color के coating wires, plastic coated जो होते हैं, so we can take the different colors wires for that, and 2 wires we have to connect with the cell as shown like the figure 12.3. जैसे 12.3 फिगर में बताया वैसे हम उसको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स on the next page number 118, the figure 12.4 is given. So we can connect the wires to the bulb as shown in the figure 12.4. Okay, and then we can connect this bulb with the electric cell with the terminals of these wires. Okay, so now students, you can see in the figure 12.5 here the 6 different arrangements of the bulb and cell are given. Okay, so now after explaining these 6 arrangements, you have to say that which arrangements of these connections are correct or wrong. Firstly, see this first one. In the first A, there are 6 arrangements, means A, B, C, D, E, F. The 6 arrangements of the wires and cell are given. But now first see the A1. Okay, A में देखो क्या दिख रहा है. The wire of this bulb and cell are properly connected with each other. Means the terminals of these wires of cell and the bulb are properly connected with each other. So that's why the bulb has glow. ठीक है, बल्ब क्या हुआ है, ग्लो हुआ है. ओके, बट नाउ इफ यू विल ऑब्जर्व इन बी, सी, डी एंड ई, in these cases if you will observe that, what thing you will observe, the same thing you will observe that in the B and C में क्या दिख रहा है, the one terminal of the cell and bulb are open, so it means that it are not properly connected. वो क्या हुआ है, open है. In D and E again the bulb of the two terminals of the wire of bulb are connected with only one terminal of cell. Okay, so that's why one terminal of the cell is again, one terminal of wire of cell is again open up. Okay, so in B, C, D and E the continuous path of electric circuit is not occurs. But now if you will observe the last, that is F diagram, it is also same like as A. Again, the two terminals of the seal and the bulb are properly connected with each other. So that's why again, if you will observe in the F, the bulb has glow. ओके मतलब ए और एफ में देखोगे तो दोनों वायर्स प्रॉपरली कनेक्टेड है, कोई भी उसमें क्या नहीं है, ओपन नहीं है. सो इसलिए क्या हुआ है, बल्ब ग्लो हुआ है. बट इन द केस ऑफ बी, सी, डी एंड ई, द वायर्स आर ओपन. सो दैट्स वाई द कंटिन्यूअस पाथ ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट इज नॉट occur there. So that is why the electric circuit cannot, current will not flow. उसमें क्या नहीं होगा, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा. एंड सच इनकम्प्लीट इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कैनॉट फ्लो. सो देयरफॉर बल्ब कैनॉट ग्लो इन सच cases. Understood? Means the two terminals of the electric cell were connected to the two terminals of bulb. So in A and F only, these two terminals were connected. Okay, so this is the continuous path of electric circuit, and in such cases only bulb can glow. Means bulb glows only when the current flows through this circuit. Okay, now if you will observe in the figure 12.6, सो दिस इज़ नोन एज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. उसमें शो हो रहा है कि हाउ द करंट कैन फ्लो थ्रू दिस इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. इट ऑलवेज फ्लो फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल टू negative terminal. Understood? The direction of current is always from positive terminal to negative terminal, and in such cases when the continuous path is there, so electric current can flow through this continuous electric path. Okay, and in such cases only bulb can glow. So I think all of you understood why in the cases of B, C, D and E bulb is not glowing. Okay, because क्या नहीं हो रहा है वहाँ पे जो फिलामेंट्स होती है, जो मतलब टर्मिनल्स है ऑफ द वायर विच आर नॉट प्रॉपरली कनेक्टेड. ओके, so because of the one, this is the one reason only, because that terminals are wires are not properly connected, that's why bulb is not glowing. But another reason is also for bulb is not glowing is that sometimes the bulb has fuse. bulb क्या हो जाता है, fuse होता है, and that is the reason only the bulb cannot glow. So one of the reason for the bulb is that it is fuse. Fuse क्या, fuse means what, bulb is fuse means the breaking of filament, breaking of the filament of bulb. Okay, so break in the filament of electric bulb means the break of the path of the current between these terminals of electric cell. So that is why current is not passing through that filament. अगर वो बल्ब फ्यूज है, इसका मतलब क्या कि फिलामेंट ब्रेक हुई है एंड करंट इज नॉट पासिंग थ्रू दैट फिलामेंट. इन सच केसेस ऑल्सो बल्ब कैन नॉट glow. So I think all of you understood why bulb cannot glow. The first reason is that because of not continuous passing the electric circuit, electric current, and second is reason because of the breaking of filament also. That is हम उसको कहते हैं कि बल्ब फ्यूज होना. बल्ब क्या हुआ, फ्यूज हुआ. ठीक है, so there are two reasons only the bulb cannot glow. Understood?